Welcome to Yoga with Bree. If this is your vibe, hit like and subscribe.
Hello lovely souls and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yoga with Bree and I'm very excited for us to do an unboxing today. Today we're going to unbox Beauty Counter, their mystery box. I love doing unboxings and try on hauls for y'all. However, I haven't done that in a minute because I'm being a responsible adult. I'm running a virtual yoga studio and all of the profits that I'm bringing in, I'm using a good portion to put into my studio and continue that growth in community. So if you're interested in flowing with us, hashtag you can flow with us, check out the description box down below because it has a 30-day free trial for each and every one of you. So you know how I love to do things here, short, sweet, and to the point. So we're gonna hop right in. So a few disclaimers as we really hop into our Beauty Counter unboxing. One disclaimer is that as I'm doing this unboxing, my head might be cut off. That's because I got the bright idea to wear a tube top on the YouTube. And so I'm trying to make sure you can see the full tube top. So if my head gets cut off a little bit, off with their heads. Okay, little, joke, Marie Antoinette, little joke. Anyway, Beauty Counter. I love doing clean beauty hauls. I've already opened up the box. You see me like dumping all the paper out. I love doing clean beauty hauls because clean beauty is part of overall wellness. So if you work in yoga like myself, or you're just a wellpreneur in general, whatever holistic area in life that you are in, it's so important to be aware of what you're putting in your skin or on your body. Your skin is your biggest organ, and it's really important just to be aware of like what it's absorbing. So I tend to rotate through a few different clean beauty brands. Ilia is my absolute favorite for skin tints. I haven't tried the Beauty Counter skin tint, to be fair, but I love the Ilia skin tint. I have it on right now. It matches my skin perfectly. I have a whole YouTube video about it in the description box down below. And then I love Merit Beauty as well. I have the Merit stick, which is a nice kind of little concealer stick. I don't use that as much as I use the Ilia, just because I just love Ilia has SPF, that doesn't have an SPF in it. It's hard for me to not just have something that already has all of the stuff in it. But I do love the Merit lip gloss and their lipsticks, which I'm wearing currently. And then Beauty Counter, I use all of their serums. I like their face washes. I like their mask. So those are kind of the different areas that I use for clean beauty for each of those different brands. So this is the Clean Beauty Box mystery box, which is so weird because they sent it in this gigantor box. And this is all that's inside. Oh my God, y'all. So this was $89. Let me just put that out there. I got the most expensive mystery box because I was getting ready to reorder my skin serum, which is $89 itself. So I was like, well, let me just see what's in this mystery box. Maybe my skin serum will be in there. We'll find out together. I should have cut that better. The struggle's real. All right. I do want to say, I know clean beauty can be expensive. There are some clean beauty that I have been finding at like places like CVS, like your regular drugstore kind of thing. But I like Beauty Counter because they do have like a Beauty Counter membership, which every time I buy, that a percentage of that money goes back towards discounts for my next purchase. So I actually got this for $20 off because I have bought so many things from them. Here's the little bag that it comes in, which is super cute. Nice little tote. You could use this like if you're running to the gym and gonna throw some stuff in there. It says Beauty Counter on one side and beauty should be good for you. That's cute. Yeah. All right, let's see what I got, y'all. I'm pretty excited. I got the At the Red E-Lip Duo. Ooh. We'll see if we're gonna keep this mystery box, y'all. I don't know if I can return a mystery box. This might be final sell, we'll find out. I don't really wear lipstick, so especially not red. I wear like pinks and nudes and neutrals. So this might be getting gifted to someone, or I might just return. If there's not a lot of things I love in this box, then I might just return it if I can. I don't even know if I can do that. All right, let's see what's in here. So this is a duo, it says. At the Ready Lip Duo, we call this the perfect statement lip. Start with a swipe of sheer conditioning lipstick and then add in a cherry balm. I hate red, y'all. So this is already not so great for me. Okay, so here is the pretty little glimmery part of it, and then cherry red. How are they just gonna vote cherry red? Like, you don't even know my skin tone, bro, because it was a mystery box. And sorry for the ghost that's behind us. There's really not a ghost behind us. But sorry for the curtains moving. I have my fan on. Hopefully you can't hear it in the video. But it's a little hot in SoCal today. So, okay. I'm not really vibing with this already. I feel so sad. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I also got the Reflect Effect. I don't even know what that is. So let's read together. Here's this little thing right here. Wet hands and face, mix polish with a facial cleanser, massage onto a wet face, rinse. Do not use dry. I don't even know what this does. Reflect Effect. Oh, exfoliating polish. Exfoliating polish for your skin? For your face, I guess? So far, 2 out of 2 I'm not vibing with. I should have just bought my freaking $89 serum instead of trying to be cool and see what came in this mystery box. Okay, here is another little lip balm. Has no smell to it. Oh, it kind of smells like peppermint. It looks like just like a standard lip balm. Like, I almost said Carmex, but you remember when Carmex was a thing, y'all? Anyone? That was like 2000s. I'm not vibing at all. I mean, the lip balms, that glittery lip gloss, yes. Like, I wear lip gloss all day. The Clean Duo Deodorant. Huh. Okay. This long-lasting deodorant neutralizes odor and absorbs sweat without the use of aluminum. Okay. Now, this I'm excited about because I do use, probably the one thing that I use that's not like super organic and healthy is the Dove Clinical Protection. I don't like to sweat, and I know sweating's not bad for you, but I teach yoga. So like if I'm teaching, I don't want to have sweaty pits, you know, if I've taught more than one class in a day. Like, that's just not the vibe for me. And so I use that. That's my preference. I did the whole clean deodorant thing, all that stuff. You can leave me in the comments what your clean deodorant product was that kept you smelling good and not as sweaty, but it didn't work for me. So I used that. But this is cool because I've never seen a really good clean deodorant that doesn't use aluminum but helps absorb sweat. So I'm excited to try this. Now, this makes me want to keep the whole thing. And I'm going to look up what these prices are, and I'll tell you at the very end what the price is for each one of these to see if it was worth the $89. I mean, this by itself is probably like 40 bucks. Who knows? Okay, now this is worth the $89. So this is the Glow First Priming Serum. So this is a full-size bottle. The rest of these looks kind of like a sample size. This actually is full size as well. I don't know if this is full size. I'm assuming this is like a sample size. Like, these two little guys are so tiny. That looks like freaking, you know, when you go to the hotel, that's what that looks like. Legit. Okay, so I should have had a latte before this video. I can feel myself like slowly glowing down. You glow first. So this innovative serum / primer is a hybrid, is formulated with peptides, responsibly sourced, blah, 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 jojoba, for an effortless, luminous glow and your best makeup application. It's glow time. Let's open it. See what's up. I don't wear, the serum I wear from them is their vitamin C serum, which is my favorite thing in the world. Okay, no, I'm not vibing. That's creepy. Why does it look like that? It looks like Vaseline in there. And honestly, Ilia already gives you a serum, or their like face tint, their skin tint serum is already glowy. Like, I put this on this morning. I feel like my skin still looks really good. I have nothing on but their skin tint. So, I mean, for this to have been on for like the last 12 hours, I think it's pretty legit-y. Legit-y is like my new favorite thing to say. It's probably like fetch. It's not catching on, but I love to say it. It gives me so much joy. I'm not vibing. Y'all, I'm going to return this. I've never returned anything from Beauty Counter. I was really excited about the deodorant, but I think I could buy this myself. Let's come back and I'll tell you what the prices are for all of these and if it was really worth the $89. I think this by itself is $89 because the serum that I normally get is 90 bucks, $89. So I'm pretty sure, you know, buying this is like $89, but this is not going to be helpful to me because, yeah. Okay, loves, I've got my computer in front of me. I'm just going to type in these products and tell you what the price is. So I probably should have done this before I hopped back on, but oh well. Okay, and yes, I can return this. So if you're wondering if I'm going to return it, there's a 100% chance I'm going to return that. It's not worth it when I'm not going to use any of the products, and I could gift them to people, but like, I don't know. I'm not vibing. So let's see what the Glow First priming serum. This is $65. So like this by itself is worth the $89 purchase, you know, if this is your vibe. This just wasn't the vibe for me. It's probably the vibe for many of you, but it's not the vibe for me. Let me find out about this deodorant though. I didn't even know they had deodorant, but I really want to try this deodorant. Oh, it's 30 bucks. So the two of these together is already $90. So I wish I could keep the freaking deodorant. I might just buy it. I don't even know if this is on there, their little lip balm. I don't think this size is on there 100%. This looks like a travel kit. It literally looks like a hotel thingy. So the lip balm, oh, so this thing, oh my God, y'all. This thing is $55. So this is actually a great mystery box. This just doesn't have anything that I would normally use. Like, I gotta return this. I'm not gonna ever use lip balm on here for $22. It's not this shape. It's actually the shape of like a lipstick. And then, so that's like a travel size, I guess. And then let's see what this reflect effect, I don't even know what that means, y'all. I'm still trying to figure out what this one is. We're gonna figure that out together. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's a resurfacing peel, excuse me. I'm from the South, you know, sometimes what I'm trying to say does not come out right. Okay, so it's a reflect effect overnight resurfacing peel. This is clearly the baby size at, I don't know how many millimeters, 0.7 ounces. And a full one is 1 ounce and it's $77. So this was actually a great haul for a mystery bag. It just wasn't the mystery bag for me. Like, I would only use one of the products in here, which is this deodorant, which I'm really sad that I'm gonna have to return and then reorder, but it's okay. So thank you so much for watching. What did we learn? It's okay to try new things, but sometimes when you try new things, it's not some of the stuff that you need or want. So yeah, have a wonderful day, y'all, and I will see you soon.